guys, Taylor here. I'm going to show you guys how I do a brow laminated look. Okay, so first we're going to take this Got to Be Glued styling spiking glue. So this is technically for your hair, but it's the best one that I've found that keeps your eyebrows kind of in place and sticking up to really achieve that more like laminated look. So I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and I'm just going to run it through the spoolie end of a brow brush, and then I'm going to brush it through my hair and kind of push the hairs upward. And as you can see, visible difference there. Okay, now that they are kind of set in place, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in Auburn. I'm going to take the other end of that brow brush and I'm just going to dip a tiny bit in the end of this product here. Then I'm going to draw a line under my brow. And then I'm going to lightly brush the product up from that line into my natural brow line. Voila! And look at the huge difference already that you can see. Voila! Finally, we're gonna go in with the Gimme Brow 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit and just go through and lightly set everything in, give it more of that hair-like look, that natural look we're going for. We are done. This is the final brow look. Obsessed. As always, you can get these products at a discount through eCosmetics. Bye guys.